We are live. What's up, everybody? Live with Investor Thrive, guys. What is going on? I'm a live machine. I go live all the time. You guys have probably seen me and you're like, what is this guy doing going live all the time?
What is he doing here?
Well, I enjoy it. And honestly, guys, I'm working. I'm doing exactly what I'm showing you. So I figure why not? And right now, guys, is the batch call. Okay. So this call is brought to you by Batch Leads. If you don't have Batch Leads, you need to get it. I mean, it's honestly one of the sickest services built directly and specifically for real estate investors, for wholesalers. So I love it. Batch Leads is legit.
Go to investorthrive.com right now to check out some of our free training on how you can make money as a real estate investor, or schedule a time with me so we can chat about our mastermind mentorship and how we can help you learn how to wholesale nationwide and grow your business.
So guys, what I do on these batch calls, I basically show you guys how to get deals, how to talk to sellers, and I'm just going to show you guys how to do deals. Because guys, what's happening right now in the market, if you guys are wholesaling or if you're real estate investors, you know what's going on with the market. You need to be able to do deals without, putting yourself in a bind, right? So what I believe you need to do and what I've been teaching, what I've been doing myself is what's called reverse wholesaling. It's the way to be a sniper. It's the way to sniper and get deals without just blowing your money, without doing it super aggressive and just trying to talk to as many people as possible. You don't need to do that right now, especially with the market the way it is. There's better ways to do it. And Batch Leads can help you get deals with little to no marketing spend. I know that's crazy, right? Like it's like, how do I use Batch Lead, a service that generates leads? Basically, I'm going to show you how you can get deals like a sniper, little to no marketing spend, being targeted and getting deals the right way. And especially with the way the market is shifted. Okay. So that's what we're going to do today. Everybody get ready, get tuned. We're going to show you how to be a sniper. So let's just get right into it. All right, guys. So how do you be a sniper? Okay. How do you be a sniper when you're doing this business? Okay. So in order to be a sniper in this business and to get deals without locking stuff up and getting trash under contract and thinking you might be able to sell it, there's a better way, right? So what you have to do right now is you have to go find some cash buyers and find out which ones are actively buying right now. That's what you need to do. So that's the first thing. Find out which cash buyers in your market are actively buying. So what I did, guys, is I created a Google form called the Cash Buyer Buy Box. Okay. They fill out their information, and I like to ask specific questions like how many deals can you close right now if I brought you all of them? What's your profit margin? All that kind of stuff, right? And as soon as they fill out the form, I have it go to a spreadsheet. You click on this button. Even if you click here, you get an email notification and it goes into a spreadsheet. Okay. So the spreadsheet basically answers the question that I've asked the buyers to fill out. What type of deals are you looking for? What's your price range? So it's really good to know what my buyers want. So right here, I see that this buyer, he tells me that his budget on price range is $200,000 to $600,000. Okay. All right. Let's look at it. This says a few mil. So this guy can buy whatever up to 350 to 450. Okay. So this guy is saying up to, so he wants to buy less than that. Good luck in Utah, man. I guess he filled out a lot of other stuff. 200K ARV. I can find anything from 100 to 7 million. I can find, maybe he meant fund.
What?
But anyway, so these guys, I kind of know what they want. Now, their price range. If I want to specifically look for one of them, I can, but I want to look at the location. Let's do this guy. 200 to 600,000, 3 or 4 bedrooms, and he's willing to spend. So this is giving me an idea of what I need to look for in northern Utah, especially Cache Valley. So what I do is I go to Batch Leads and I look up specifically what my guy wants. Okay. So instead of me just kind of like doing a shotgun approach and just hitting all of Utah or all of a specific area, I'm going to go to northern Utah, which is saying Cache Valley. I've lived in Utah for a while now, but I'm not sure what Cache Valley is. Maybe I need to look that up really quick on Google. Visit Cache Valley. Yeah, it's not really helping me. Okay, why is Logan? Okay, Logan. I get that. So Logan is right here, North Logan. So we're going to look specifically in this area that he likes. So it's really cool with Batch. You just go mark the area. We're going to mark this whole area. And like, again, he said he's between 200 to 600,000, according to my buy box. And we're going to go over here to filter. Again, you can do so many filters, but just for this example, I'm going to show you what to do. So property characteristics, my guy said he wants between 6 and 2. He wants, I think at least one bathroom. Square footage, he didn't say. I didn't put that in my form. Years built, blah, blah, blah. Cash buyers. This is if you want to find cash buyers. We're trying to look for properties now. Basically, he's giving me an idea of what he wants to buy. If I bring it to him, then, we probably can work out a deal. So right here, there's 3,400 properties that meet his criteria in Cache Valley. So instead of going all over trying to find properties, I can specifically go and say, hey, I'm going to find him a deal here in his criteria. And then when I find some, I'm going to call him and say, hey, look, man, you said you wanted something in this area. Great. I got you it. What will you pay? So instead of me locking the deal up, trying to blast it out to my buyers, I have a buyer that has given me his criteria. And I know he'll give me an idea of what he'll pay. So that's how you do with batching. And obviously you select all, you add the list, you skip trace it, and then you can text blast it. You can cold call a batch dialer. You can go knock the door. So I know my guy loves Logan, Cache Valley. Right? I can go to a specific neighborhood and drive for dollars virtually or pay a virtual assistant to do it. So let's look for some crappy houses in Cache Valley. Ooh, already just drop the little guy right in that area and we already got something. Let's do it right here. So this is how you drive for dollars. But obviously, these Google pictures might not be as accurate as the current conditions. So this is how you drive for dollars, everybody. It's super simple. You just go to save. And in this scenario, we would create this list and we would call it Cache Valley driving for dollars, right? Or wherever the area you're in, North Cache Valley. You can make it as granular as you want. And then you would put it under the tag of, I already have an existing tag for this. You would do driving for dollars. So then you save, and then you're creating a list for the specific area for the buyer that tells you what they want. And then you cold call it, text it, knock it, do whatever you got to do to get in front of the person and make them an offer. So what I'm showing you guys is specifically how to get deals. Instead of the shotgun approach, you can go ahead and do it a way more efficient way. And if you have acquisitions managers, they need to learn how to do this. They need to learn how to underwrite. Now, let me show you another technique that I've been using other than just going to batch and specifically picking an area that you have for a buyer that's filled out your cash form and they tell you what they want. You also, I don't know if any of you guys have recognized or realized, but the amount of wholesale deals that are being blasted out by wholesalers, it's increased a ton, right? And what do most wholesalers do is they blast out their buyers list. And if no one gives them a hit, maybe they cancel the deal.
Canceled.
What I'm doing is I'm looking at these deals and I'm specifically looking for ones that my buyers would want. And then I'm just calling them and saying, hey, I got a deal. What would you pay for this? And then I'm making the offer with my spread because I already have the buyer. That requires no money and I'm making money off of other wholesalers' deals. So let's see if there's anything in Cache Valley that's been listed from a wholesaler. Okay, so that's Ogden. That's kind of Cache Valley, sort of. Mobile home in Hiram. I don't have any buyers that want mobile homes as far as I know, but let's comp this one using batch leads and see what it's worth. So I want to know where Hiram is first. Is that Cache Valley? It says Valley, so I might have just pulled that up when I pulled it. So let's see where this is. Is it Cache Valley too? Well, shoot, everybody. It's actually in Cache Valley, Hiram, Utah. And my guy says he likes buying in that area. Maybe he wants this mobile home. Want to find out? Let's see. So this is let's see. I want to see if this is still available. Okay, so this came out the 19th. So that was couple days ago. Let me call the wholesaler and just see if it's available. I'm curious. Okay, hold on. Offers due Monday the 26th. Okay, so they're probably still accepting offers. Due diligence must end. Non-refundable deposit. ARV. These are the comps. I don't always believe wholesalers comps, but he says 60,000. So actually, I'm going to call one of my buyers right now and ask them. Let's see if she does mobile homes. And this is the power of knowing your buyers. Hit them up, ask them if they want some before you before you do all this work. This is taking me a little bit of time, but we'll see.
Hello, this is Crystal.
Crystal, how you doing? This is Nathan Payne. You filled out my form a little bit ago about the being a cash buyer, your criteria, having your criteria.
Oh yeah.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Hey, I was just calling just to kind of get to know you. I don't think we've ever met, at least not that I remember, but I was wondering if you had a couple minutes to talk. I might have a property you might be interested in.
I have a couple minutes. I'm at work, but I'm on my lunch break. I'm just about to go back in about 5.
Well,
but I have a couple minutes right now too.
I'll make it super quick. I was just curious
Okay,
if you buy mobile homes in the Cache Valley area. I saw that you said you prefer northern Utah, especially Cache Valley. Is that right?
Right. Yes.
Do you do mobile homes?
I've never done a mobile home, but I don't know. I guess I could look at it. I like to flip them. Like I said, I'm pretty new. I've only done it a couple times, so I'm doing one at a time and just looking for my next one.
Okay.
But if you have something here, like when it's closer to home, which I live up in Logan.
Yeah, so this one's in Hiram.
Oh, up in Hiram?
Yeah. Is that close?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right down the street. Yep.
Yeah, so I can send you some information on it, and see what you think on it, and you can get back to me. Is the best way to just text you info or email you? What's the best way?
Email probably for me to pull up pictures and stuff, but either's fine. You can text me too.
Okay, I'll send you some information on it and see if you're interested. And if you are, then maybe we can make some work. But I also, I do get some stuff all the time in Logan. Yeah, I have a really good buyer that I work with up there too. But if he doesn't buy something, or it doesn't meet his criteria up there, I'd love to tell you about it.
Yeah, keep me on your buyers list.
For
I'd
sure.
love to hear about them.
And are you currently looking for one right now, or are you busy with the flip?
Yeah, no, I'm just finishing up, so I'm looking for one right now. So
cool.
I just started looking this last week. So
well, let's get you a property. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, have a good day at work.
Okay, thanks, Nathan. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Cool, guys, look at that. Like, basically, I just got to find out, and I got to basically ask them if the property's still available. I might have a buyer, so let's just call it. And this is it, guys. Like, I ain't doing anything crazy. I'm looking at you sniper. I'm going to do both, right? I'm going to go on drive for dollars, look for specific properties here, might as well. But I'm also going to try to connect other wholesalers deals to people I'm tight with. This is the first time we talk, but I'll bring her something. So let's call them and find out if it's still available. I'm sure it's still available because of the fact that it's they said they're accepting offers till blank. So let's call Joe.
Hello, this is Joe.
Joe, how you doing? This is Nathan Payne. I'm just calling about your mobile home listing. I had your email. I was wondering if it's still available.
Yeah, which one? We've got a handful of mobile homes, right?
The Hiram, Utah, 546 Valley View Drive, Hiram.
Oh, yeah. Is that the one for like 20?
Yeah, 24.
Yeah, I'm gonna have good time.
Yeah, is it still available?
It is, yeah. We're accepting offers. We've had a few people go look at it yesterday and today.
Okay.
We're accepting offers, I think, until tomorrow or maybe Friday or Monday. I'm just driving right now.
I'm sorry, I should ask you if you had time to chat, but
yeah, I've got time. I just don't have all the numbers and stuff trying to go off memory. Sorry.
Cool. Yeah, so I have a buyer. So I fix and flip and I wholesale, but also I know a couple people in Hiram that in Logan that look for stuff like this. So are you guys cool if I if I bring someone and just throw my fee on top if you guys accept the offer?
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, just let us know what your fee is.
I'll let you know. I'll probably just include my fee inside the offer, just so if you guys accept it, it makes sense. Would that be cool? Because I have a buyer that I'm basically talking about. I'm just going to tell him about this deal, more about it. I just wanted to make sure before I did it that I didn't, it wasn't gone. Do you have an idea of like what will get it done? Because I'm really just trying to get, make a couple, maybe one or two, five, whatever I can make on top and get them a deal.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think what was I asking on this?
It's 24,000 right here. That's what I'm seeing.
24,000. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think the offer, we have one offer that was just like email submission. I think they're like 24, 25.
Okay.
So I think right around that range, a little bit higher would be better, but
would get it done.
It'll probably be accepting offers today and tomorrow. Yeah, this is one that we could just lock it up. I mean, it's halfway, not halfway, but they've been renovating and they're just ready to move on from it. So.
Yeah, it's like most people right now, right? They're just ready to get out of their property. It's crazy, man.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it was nice meeting you. My name's Nathan Payne. Like I've worked with Martineau and Clay for a while. Like they're great guys. It's so I'm just got my eye on the deals. I mean, you probably look at some too. There's a lot coming out, so I'm just trying to link them up with buyers that I know and trying to make a little bit of spread.
For sure. Yeah, that's a good one.
Cool. Well, I will.
Thanks, Nathan. We'll look forward to the offer.
I'll send it over. Thanks, man. Bye.
Okay, have a good one. Bye.
Yeah, bada bing, bada boom. All right, cool. So it's still available. He basically said, hey, 24 is probably going to get it done. I'll send it to my buyer, Crystal. Say, hey, we can get it done if, at this specific price. It looks like ARV 60. I mean, it's pretty simple. Like they already got the pictures. I just got to send her the link and some information on it. And it looks like they were flipping it, but they gave up. Guys, I mean, if I can make 2K and I'll link it up, I don't need to rock her or rock them. I basically just connect it, get it done. That's just one of my ideas. And if you guys are struggling to find deals or you have a low marketing budget, this is one of the best ways to do it. You sniper with batch, you talk to specific buyers that want deals, you drive for dollars, you get lists, in their area, their criteria, and then you watch the MLS for properties that come out there. You make on-market offers. This job is not that difficult. You literally just got to find out what your buyers want. That's the technique that I'm just trying to show you. I didn't run giant comps and do all this stuff. Instead, I said, we usually offer in this range for properties in this area that we buy. I've never bought there, but I know usually that's what people buy it for. You guys have a great day. Let's go make some money. I'm pumped. I'm buying an apartment complex. I'm closing on it in a month using the strategies that I teach. I'm closing on a deal tomorrow. Like, there's deals right now, guys. Don't think that you can't get deals in this market. There's deals. You just got to do it the right way, and don't waste your time. Everybody, peace out.